So the first good semiotic habit to employ is to craft the aesthetic iconical, to think of the visual building blocks of your aesthetics visual language from an audience's perspective. Okay, this can be at face value seen as extreme micro focusing, but stay with me. You saw in videos 10 and 12, or 10 to 12, how the basic semiotic building block of visual meaning is iconic representation. Now, forget all the other meanings of for icon or iconic you know. The Peircean icon is the first level of sign action to represent the intended concept. Think iconic representation as a resemblance to, or that reminds me of, rather than exemplary, classical, seminal, important, etc. Think of a semiotic icon as an element of semiotic representation rather than a religious or user interface image. Peirce uses terms in a very specific way.